Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have 2016 Nissan Murano, and it has a really terrible blower fan noise, so I will turn it on. I'll let you listen for a sec. So if it's high speed, it's not too terrible, but if we go a low speed, it is really bad, and I hope you can hear that. So that's the blower fan, and we will replace it today. Okay, since we will be dealing with electrical, we will disconnect the battery. So you always want to do negative cable. So take it off, pull it aside, it's 10mm socket. Next, inside the vehicle, we will need to remove the glove box. So we will start with screws underneath. So the 220 Torx. Two. And three. Next we will do inside the glove box. So 1 and 2 deep in the glove box, and then 3 screws closer to the front. 1, 2, and 3. So 8 screws in total. So we have power door on and off. There might be a light also. So when we remove the glove box, you just need to be careful. Before you remove the glove box, you need to pry this plate off. So now we will do wiggle, and try to get the glove box out. Okay, as I mentioned, plastic connector. I just want to pull this out. And then remove. There's another one for the light. So need to grab the little pliers for that one. This one should come off though. Okay, we'll try again. Grab this pliers and pull it off. We'll do the same with this one. I'm not sure why this is so difficult to remove. Just get a very generic plan. Okay. We're good now, so we can. Oh, we can't. There's something else holding. Okay, so there's another plastic bracket, and then the wire. Okay, now we're good. And this gives us very good access to the blower motor. That's it, just over here. So go ahead and disconnected. Let's push clip out. So now it seems there's 1, 2, and 3 Phillips screws. Go ahead and remove those Phillips screws. They're quite short. I was expecting longer ones. The other one we might need to use a hand tool. You might, or you should probably start with the furthest one. So here's our fan. Seems just old. Let's get the new one. Okay, so here's the new fan, exactly the same. This is aftermarket, and I will leave a link for the blower motor in the description to the video on Amazon, so you can order it. We'll get the rest of the screws in. We'll get the plug back in. So we'll actually do a quick test run, just to make sure that this one is nice and quiet. Sometimes when you get cheap aftermarket parts, they can be defective. Okay, let's give it a quick try. So we turn the fan on, low speed, nice and quiet, high speed, nice and quiet. Okay, we can continue as putting everything back together. Okay, we'll get the glove box back in. So we'll do this plastic clip first, and then we'll connect the light. Then we will connect this button. We'll do the plastic clip last. We'll remove the light. We don't want it to stay there. So then we just work our way with the glove box. Make sure that it sits nice and snug. And now we can start putting back screws. So 2 deep inside, and that's T20 Torx. And I will leave all the links for parts and tools in the description. Please check my Amazon store. Like and subscribe. That will help the channel to grow. So now we do 3 screws. Top of the glove box. Close the glove box. Next we will do the last 3 screws at the bottom. That doesn't want to play well. Let's do the other ones. Maybe the two get aligned. This one went well. We do one on the right hand side. Okay, now I just need to find the right angle for the left one. There you go. Alright, that will be the last step to install this little cover. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself. Take care.